Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add carousel in system.io. First you have to go to websites, and here you just need to click on your blog and click on any of your page. You can select any page that you want to add carousel. Now I'm going to choose this page to add a carousel. Here at the bottom of this page you must need to enter the carousel inside the page border, otherwise you can place it. Now in the element section you just need to scroll a little down and you will find a media section, and in this media section you will find carousel. You can drag and drop or you can simply select it. I'm going to drag and drop this carousel. Here it is. uh, as you can see, if I drag and drop it outside of the page border, then I can place it here. So I'm going to place it inside the page border. I'm going to select this empty box here and I'm going to delete it from here. And yes, okay, I'm going to delete it. And here from elements, now drag and drop, I'm going to drag and drop here, and you can see I have just placed it perfectly here. And you can add any image that you want in this carousel. You can edit this carousel by click on it and you will find the carousel. You can click on add new slide to adding new slide in this carousel. I'm going to select or add the 3 slides here, and as you can see I have added 3 slides in my carousel. Also you can select the alignment from here. You can select the display arrow navigation. You can select it or you can hide it from your carousel, and from here you also can enter image in these slides here. So that's how you can add carousel in system.io. That's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.